We turned our living room into a toy store. Our children learn more about business in 20 minutes than I ever did a semester of economics. Welcome to week 1 of our Little Entrepreneur series. How to teach a 6 or 7-year-old what a business actually is, using just their toys and some play money. Here's how we did it.
Every week of this series has one big word, and week 1's word is trade. Here's the kid-sized definition. Trade is giving something to get something you want more. That's it. And here's the part that unlocks everything. In a good trade, both people say yes. You wanted the toy more than your $5. The store wanted your $5 more than the toy. Both people walked away happier. That's why trades happen. Your kids already trade. Snacks at lunch count. Start there. What's something you've traded before? Why did you both say yes? That question is the whole foundation of economics, and a 6-year-old can answer it. Before the activity, we do one short teaching moment. Hold up anything in your house, a cup, a toy, a box of crackers, and ask, how did this get here? Someone made it, someone moved it, someone sold it. Every single object took a chain of people trading their work for money. Then land the definition. A business is people trading. You give money, they give you a thing you want. That's all a business is. No jargon, no diagrams. If your child can hand you a toy and take $1 back, they already understand the machine the whole economy runs on. Now the fun part, the living room store. Setup takes 10 minutes. The kids pick a handful of their own toys and arrange them on the couch or a table. That's the shop. Give them play money, or real $1 bills if you have them, because real money makes it real. Then the kids write price tags. And this is important. Let them set the prices. Do not fix their prices. Even when one of them prices a stuffed animal at some outrageous number, especially then. Bad prices aren't a problem. They're the entire lesson, and it's coming in about 2 minutes. Whole dollars only, no cents. Keep the math out of the way of the idea. Then the store opens, and the parents become the customers. Browse, ask prices, buy the fairly priced toys with real enthusiasm, count the money into their hands, let them make change. But that overpriced toy, walk past it. Pick it up, look at the tag, wince a little, and put it back down. Don't say a word about it. Within a few minutes, the little shopkeeper notices their favorite item isn't selling. And then comes the moment the whole activity is built for. They lower the price themselves. Nobody lectured them. The market taught them. A price isn't what you think a thing is worth. It's what the buyer will actually say yes to. Grown adults pay for business school to learn that sentence. Here's the finisher. After the store closes, pull out your phone and show them a real listing. Ours is our family's online toy shop. And say the line, "This is our store. It's open even while we sleep." If you don't sell online, show them any store website and talk about who's behind it, because someone is. This connects the pretend store on the couch to the real economy in their pocket. And it plants the seed for everything else in this series. Our family doesn't just buy from businesses. We are one. So 2 things to walk away with today. 1, the big word is trade. Giving something to get something you want more. And in a good trade, both people say yes. Say it at dinner, say it in the car, have the kids shout it back. 2, the living room store takes 20 minutes, costs nothing, and ends with your child discovering pricing on their own. Next week's big word is profit, and it involves a pile of real dollar bills on the kitchen table.
Well, that's week 1. Run the living room store this week. And when you do, tell us down in the comments what your kids priced too high. We always love reading the comments. Thank you. Subscribe for week 2, where we will be teaching profit with real dollars. See you at the chalkboard.